Welcome to Matera, a jewel of stone in the heart of southern Italy. In 2019, the city will be a European capital of culture. In the 1950s, Matera was famous for its extensive cave-dwelling districts known as Sassi. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993, the Sassi provide a beautiful backdrop with narrow lanes and houses and churches carved out of rock. Since its selection in 2014, those behind Matera's 2019 programme and the local community have been working to promote socio-cultural projects and a spirit of co-creation. Why and how did Matera become the European Capital of Culture in 2019? Let's talk to Paolo Verri.
On the one hand, we've been working on innovative content, and on the other, trying to understand what Europe might want from a capital of culture in Italy. Certainly something that focuses on the concept of community in the town square, something which is both very popular and innovative. We have also focused on not competing with other cities, but cooperating.
Cooperation forms the central theme of Matera's programme for 2019. Entitled Open Future, organisers say they hope they can foster unity, especially at a time when the world shows signs of closing in on itself politically.
Matera was declared a capital of hospitality even before becoming a capital of culture. It's a place where you will be able to meet the locals and they will start talking to you. They will not run away. The people of Matera are our strong point and always will be. The culture that Matera wants to share is made by everyone for everyone.
That sense of participation and shared experience has been demonstrated in many ways. For instance, the lights for the opening ceremony were assembled at workshops in Matera's schools, hospitals and old people's homes. Locals have also been rehearsing a performance of Purgatory, the second part of Dante's Divine Comedy. And then there are also the volunteers.
There was a group of young people who immediately understood that there was a great connection between their personal future and what is being done now.
There is a great affection and great willpower that binds us all.
Welcome to Matera.
The older generation in the city also understood that being selected as a capital of culture was a way of changing how Matera is seen by many people, given that it was once considered the shame of Italy due to the fact that people used to live in very basic conditions in the caves.
I prefer the word redemption. 2019 represents the maximum in terms of redemption.
All eyes are now set on January the 19th, the day of the opening ceremony. The inauguration aims to kick off a year of activities and events which will unite the cultural passions and lifestyles of both the people of Italy and Europe. At night, Matera is like a scene from the Nativity, a setting which is unique in the world. It will be centre stage in the opening ceremony on January the 19th.